Click on the link below to get price. The IceCarats 14K Solid Yellow Gold 6.5mm Herringbone Chain Necklace is an exquisite piece that seamlessly blends elegance with timeless charm. Upon unboxing, the quality is immediately evident. The chain, crafted from solid 14K gold, boasts a rich, warm hue that catches the light beautifully, giving it a luxurious appearance without being overly flashy. The 6.5mm width offers a substantial feel, making it noticeable yet comfortable to wear. The herringbone design is particularly striking. It features interlocking patterns that lie flat against the skin, ensuring it doesn't snag on clothing or hair. I appreciated the craftsmanship involved, as the links are finely polished, allowing for a smooth finish that enhances its visual appeal. This attention to detail is a hallmark of high-quality jewelry, and IceCarats certainly delivers in this regard. Measuring 20 inches, this necklace is versatile and can be worn alone for a minimalist look or paired with a pendant for a more personalized style. I found it to be the perfect length, resting just below the collarbone, making it an ideal choice for various necklines. The lobster clasp is sturdy and secure, providing peace of mind that the necklace won't come undone during wear. One potential drawback is that, like any solid gold piece, it may be vulnerable to scratches over time, but with regular care and proper storage, it can maintain its pristine appearance. Additionally, the price point reflects its quality. While it might be an investment, the durability and timeless style make it worth every penny. Overall, the IceCarats 14K Solid Yellow Gold Herringbone Chain Necklace is a remarkable accessory that adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Its combination of quality craftsmanship, stunning design, and versatility makes it a worthy addition to any jewelry collection. Whether for everyday wear or special occasions, this necklace is sure to make a statement.